Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my monthly favorites. So last month I started this series of monthly favorites inspired by Mridul and a lot of other YouTubers also do it. So last month मैंने आप लोगों को मेरा May favorites दिखाया था and this month I'm going to show you guys my June favorites, things I've been loving in June and I've been wearing or I've been applying a lot in June. I'll be leaving links of all the products in the description box below. So please do check the description box. And yes, now without any further ado, if you want to know what all I loved in the month of June, then please keep on watching the video. So the first thing that I've been loving in the month of June is this mascara and it is from the L'Oreal. This is how it looks like. This mascara is their Volume Mingling Lashes mascara. I love this mascara. It really gives so much volume to my lashes and it looks like I'm wearing falsies. I also like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. That has been my favorite since a very long time now and that will be my all-time favorite. But recently I've been really enjoying this mascara a lot. This is a bit costly but you can always get it on a nice discount. The next thing which I've been really loving in the month of June is not a recent favorite. It's been my favorite since last 2 to 3 years now. I'm talking about this lipstick from Wet n Wild. It is in the shade Give Me Mocha and this is how it looks like. So I have been using this lipstick since the time it launched in Nykaa and this is my 4th or 5th bottle of this lipstick. I feel it's a perfect nude for me and it suits my skin tone really well. I don't know for what reason मैंने बीच में lipstick लगानी एकदम बंद कर दी थी, but in the month of May I got this lipstick as a birthday gift and since then I've been wearing it non-stop. I really like using this lipstick. I'll just show you the shade. This is how the shade looks like. This is such a beautiful nude shade. It's got a hint of pink undertone to it and it looks really beautiful on all skin tones. The only drawback in this lipstick, what I feel is कि this dries up really quickly. मतलब अगर आप इसको ये bottle में पड़ी है और आप इसको काफी time तक use नहीं कर रहे हो, it will dry down in the bottle itself. So yes, that is the only drawback. But then I really love this lipstick a lot. The next makeup product is a bronzer and it is from the brand Sugar. This is how it looks like. This is in the shade Top Topper. This bronzer is so beautiful. It is really soft and the formula is so buttery and it suits me so nicely. I'm wearing this bronzer as a contour right now and I usually use this as a contour only. I feel that this shade especially suits me a lot and it will suit many skin tones. So if you're looking for a good bronzer or contour which is affordable, you should definitely check this one out from Sugar. The next thing is not a makeup product, it's a skincare product and it is this lip balm from Plum. This, from where do I start? This lip balm is so nice. This is how it looks like. This is Plum's Candy Melts lip balm. It is vegan and it is in the variant Red Velvet Love. This lip balm smells exactly like red velvet cakes. It is so delicious. It smells so delicious and it has a bit of tint to it. It is not one of those really heavy lip balms but it moisturizes your lips really nicely. Summers mein as it is, I don't like to apply those thick lip balms unless my lips are really chapped. For a day-to-day basis, I really like applying this kind of lip balms which are really lightweight but still moisturizes and hydrates my lips really nicely. And this lip balm does its job really well. This lip balm is for 295 rupees but you get a decent quantity and it is really nice. The next product is a hair care product and it is not my June favorite. I've been using this since a very long time now. I still wanted to include it in this video. It is the Body Shop Grapeseed Glossing Hair Serum. This is how it looks like. So I have frizzy hair. The day I wash my hair really become very frizzy. But this hair serum really tames that frizziness down and it gives a mild shine to my hairs as well, which is really nice. I have only this much left and I need to order a new one for myself. This is for 995 rupees but I think it is worth every single penny and I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. The next product which I've used entirely in the month of June and May end actually is this cleansing balm, and it is from Plum. It is their Plum E-Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. It is so nice. I've already used so much and you need the tiniest amount. I don't use this daily, but whenever I do my full face of makeup, I remove my makeup with this cleansing balm. It's really important, if you're wearing any amount of makeup, you should always double cleanse. And I'm really enjoying this cleansing balm. And it melts down your makeup completely. It is so soft. It doesn't irritate your skin. My eyes, maybe इसी को use करती हूँ. My eyes are super sensitive, but this doesn't irritate my eyes as well, which is really great. I really have enjoyed using this cleansing balm a lot in the month of June. The next product is a face wash, and it is the Simple Face Wash. It is their Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. This is how it looks like. I have this face wash since January or Feb I guess, but Jan-Feb में मैंने use नहीं किया था ये face wash एकदम भी, because I had other face washes to complete. But I have been recently started using this face wash, and oh my god, this is such a good face wash. This one is for sensitive skin. As the name suggests, it is really a very simple yet effective face wash. It is such a mild face wash. It doesn't irritate your skin. It doesn't dry out your skin. It doesn't cause any acne or breakouts on your skin. It is a gel based face wash. So it doesn't matter if you have dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, you can definitely give this face wash a try. I've already used half of this face wash and it is really nice. We are just left with last two products, and the second product which I have with me here is a blush. It is again from L'Oreal. This is how the blush looks like. The best part about this blush is that it comes with its own brush, and this brush is really useful, and I really like the shade of this blush. It really suits my skin tone. If you're somewhere near my skin tone, you should definitely give this blush a try. I had to include food in my monthly favorites, and the last item which I have with me here is this. It is a chocolate stick, and these are wafer sticks filled with coffee flavored chocolate. I am not a chocolate person, but whenever I crave for something sweet, I really like munching on these. These are so nice, and these comes in different flavors. This one is in the flavor coffee. You can easily get these on Amazon. So yes guys, with that I finished this monthly favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of fashion, beauty and makeup related videos there. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.